So we just saw this massive big turkey about to clean it up, wash it out for the person. So if you never get your own, I'm still taking orders. I still have 7 big turkey, bigger than this. Just a turkey na size by size. You fit buy waiting your money you carry. So this turkey now, you don't see somebody just buy it, so I want to clean it up for the person. So stay tuned.